So I just want to do a quick update with the bike before it heads out for its first test ride. Starting from the ground up, what we've done for this customer, we've got a GT516. Now this is our tyre of choice for extreme type enduro, which is predominantly what this bike is going to get used for. We've paired that with the GT216 front fatty tyre, which is always sort of a stable hold for a wicked extreme enduro tyre. The thicker sidewall and wider footprint it makes them so forgiving. So we've got the Goldentyres on the bike. It has now got tubeless front and rear. That is a preference of the customer. He likes running particularly low pressures, and it's just a very safe way of doing it without risking pinch flats or messing around with the expensive mooses. The customer's also fitted a rear discard. I've chosen to fit a rear discard. Now these do bolt straight on. That is the version from I think 13 on Betas. It's gone straight onto the 2020. And the same story with the linkage protector. That is for the early models, and it's gone straight onto this bike. Now the keen viewer may have noticed we've actually lowered this bike about an inch. Well, we've pulled an inch out of the seat height anyway. Something we did encounter with the 2020, when we've put the lowering spacer in the shock absorber, the factory spring seat, you can just see the one that we've used there. We've had to use the spring seat from the 2019 Betas. When you have the 2020 spring seat, you didn't get enough adjustment at the top of the shock body to lower it. So anyway, we got around that by using the older shock body. The customer has chosen to fit a kickstart kit. Now the customer actually supplied this and he purchased it with the bike from Crazy Dogs. It is the early kickstart kit and it has gone on essentially. However, the way that the different exhaust sits, you can't actually get it to fold all the way in without hitting the exhaust. And we'll actually, I'm not going to adjust it again. We've set it up so it's all quite tight and it will sit there, and it is only to use for emergencies. But the kickstart kit is not a perfect fitment on the 2020. You can either adjust it down so it'll hit the exhaust where it is now, or if you go one notch up, it'll actually hit the different tank. So it is a bit of a pain in the bum. Yeah, but aside from that, we've obviously done our main core bit, which is the suspension revalve work. It's had a setting in it for extreme enduro, both front and rear, and I know the customer's actually on his way in to give it its first test ride. Anyway, quick update. Hopefully someone might find it useful if you are thinking of ordering any parts for your 2020 model. Can confirm that these all fit on. Again, thanks for watching.